All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and today we're talking gray pneumatic magnetic impact sockets. What we're talking about is this set of metric and SAE magnetic sockets, impact rated. This is a very good kit. Part number is 9723G, and it goes on SAE 3/16 to 1/2 inch. On the metric side, it goes from 5 millimeter up to 15 millimeter. It includes a little short extension, 2-inch extension, and a impact swivel adapter. Now, if you notice, there are several missing. Well, that's because they're on my cart. Now, these are 1/4-inch drive, and the point of them is they got a magnet in there. So you can take a bolt, and if you got to go in a deep, dark hole, you can go down and get it started and then run it in. Now, a couple things that are not that great, and they're kind of, annoying, but you're kind of stuck with them. Sometimes that happens. Is if your ball on your extension is a little worn out, or you don't have it in the ball because it only has 2 holes for the ball detent, you can have that happen. And then you're having to reach down and get the socket out. And it's in there pretty good. I love having these. They come in handy a lot. You being 1/4-inch drive, I use them quite a bit. Starting small fasters down, where the sun don't shine, you got to sit there with your light and you're sitting there trying to get it in. Yeah, they come in handy. Now, these are made in Taiwan by Gray Pneumatic. They're something every technician, I think, should have. They come in handy a lot. Dash work, really good idea. Now, obviously, I used a rather large bolt to emphasize it, but down to 5 millimeters, so plenty of options. I haven't had any of the magnets fail on me, any fall out or anything like that, and like this 10 gets used a lot. I mean a lot. Obviously, it's a shallow socket, so you can't put can't do studs and nuts and that kind of stuff. But you can put nuts in here and get them started, and then you have to go back in with a, deep well. Handy tool to have. Now, obviously, this is kind of a more complete kit. I believe they have just the metric side of it, just the SAE side of it, whatever's going to work best for you. I will say this, the swivel, I wouldn't put any faith in that, but great set. I've had good luck with them. I've had 0 warranty issues out of them. Hope you liked this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like it, subscribe. Make sure to hit that bell notification so you get notified when I put out a new video. If you didn't like the video, give me a thumbs down. Maybe you don't like magnets. Comments are always appreciated, and as always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.